Hi, my name is Mohammed Ali. I'm with the City of Buckeye Water Resources. Another type of leak that can happen in your home is a water softener or reverse osmosis system leak. Your local tap water is safe to drink and use, but some people prefer these systems because of the minerals naturally occurring in your water. Water softener leaks are not seen but can typically be heard if they are running continuously. This type of leak cannot be seen because extra water is routed to the wastewater system. Check the manual for instructions on how to turn off the bypass valves. Turning the valve 90 degrees will not shut off water to your home, but simply stop the treatment of the water. From here, contact the manufacturer for advice on repairs. To check for a reverse osmosis system leak, turn off the water supply to the system. If the water meter stops running, you have a leak in your RO system. An efficient RO system should only use about 2 to 3 gallons of water to make 1 gallon of treated water. If the system is not properly maintained, this number can increase to 15 gallons per 1 gallon of treated water. Make sure to regularly service the system and replace parts as recommended by the manufacturer.